Hello， 大家好，我是泰勒学姐。今天我来到的是曼谷布莱顿国际学校。坐在我身边的这位 Mr. Leek， 他是布莱顿国际学校的校长的 Headmaster of Brighton College Bangkok。
Yes, I can do that. Well, first of all, it's great to have you in the school. It's lovely to be able to show off the school. It's a place that we're really proud of. So welcome to Brighton College Bangkok. My name's Nick Gallup and I'm the headmaster here. I'm in my third year and I moved with my family to Thailand 3 years ago into this wonderful school. We're thoroughly enjoying being part of this school community in a wonderful city and in a great part of the world as well.
We know that Wellington is not far from our school, right? The people tend to compare those two schools because both of the schools from the UK.
Yes.
So as the headmaster of Brighton, so what do you think the difference between Wellington and Brighton?
Yeah, first of all, yes, it's wonderful to have some great choices. There are so many wonderful schools in Bangkok. We'd like to think that we offer something that's really distinctive and a bit special. Perhaps one of the things that makes us stand out is several years now of great academic results, with children leaving us to go off to universities all across the world. Many of them are the most highly selective universities in the USA, in Australia, in Europe, in all other parts of the world as well. So I suppose if we had to pick one thing that perhaps stands out above all else, it would be a great track record of academic results.
So can I say Brighton is a strong academic school?
Really supportive, inspirational days that the pupils have here. But those academic results really are outstanding by any measures if you are comparing schools right across the world.
I found that for the last few years, you really got very outstanding academic results. And I remember last year, maybe 80% of students got A and A star in their A-level exam, right?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
It is good memory, well done. Several good questions there, well done. I mean, one of the factors, yes, is that they are getting outstanding results. I mean, that is what we're really proud of. The other measurement that we have is something called value added, which means that by being in this school, they do better than they expect. So we kind of know if they carry on at the right level, they'll do okay. They come to Brighton College Bangkok for several years, can take advantage of our teaching and all the different opportunities here, and they exceed their expectations by quite some margin. So there are a number of different factors there. It's the academic results themselves, but also how far they've exceeded their potential by being in this school. Really proud of both of those. And then you factor in the universities that they go to. It's a great mix, and I think that is really attractive for a lot of parents.
Yes, universities are always the big concern from parents.
Exactly, and I know that that's obviously something that, you know, even young children, their parents are concerned about their destination after school. We start really early, so even when the children are sort of 13, 14 years old, they'll start to think about their destinations, the skills that they want to develop, their interests, so that when they come to make those decisions, they've been thinking about it and been supported for quite a long time. Porting them into highly selective universities, but also specialist courses like medicine, engineering, law, dentistry and other things is really important too. So having specialist support and starting early are the two factors.
You know, nowadays the world is changing so rapidly, right? Especially the AI technology, something changing our life all the time.
Well, the British curriculum and the examinations they take kind of defy AI and generation by computer. They have to really learn, they have to be inspired in their classes, and then they have to perform in the exam room. And the results they get and the certificates and qualifications will stay with them for the rest of their life. They're respected all over the world. So perhaps the first thing is choosing a curriculum that is going to stand the test of time, is respected across the world by universities and by employers. Those exam results are really good. The other thing is it's all about the opportunities outside of the classroom as well. It's not just about exam results, it's about the skills and the qualities and the characteristics they learn about themselves by being put in all sorts of situations, being part of a team in sport, having to control their nerves on the stage, having to support one another, support people in the community, think about sustainable issues, think about climate change and other social problems. Those are very much part of our education here. So it's not just about the exam results and learning in the classroom, it's about everything else as well.